Alright, another auxiliary vanishing point you can use is a stairs, right? Stairs basically the plane that is inclined. So here's all the steps here, and I will draw with you. Okay, if you get confused, always look at the handouts and just try to copy. I'm gonna use the new paper, so I'm going to set up another horizon line. Okay, right? I'm gonna have the vanishing point here. I move it towards the right because I want to show the side of the stairs. If it's in front of it, you only see the front, so it's actually harder to construct. So try to show the side of the 1 point perspective. I have a vanishing point, and remember you have to establish this vertical lines, right? Okay, that's going through the vanishing point at the 90-degree angle. All right, I recommend to put the AVP a little higher because the stairs, these are shallow stairs, right? Stair kind of looks like this most of the time, so it's more inclined, right? So this is more acute, this is more mild, right? It's not so steep. So I wanted to put an AVP a little higher. If I put it lower, it look like this, right? So here's the AVP, I set it up. All right, so stairs, what you want to do is do it one at a time. So you use the both AVP and VP right here. I'm going to construct one step A. I call it step A. All right, so here's the step A, and my AVP is like right here. It's a little bit off here of the camera. Okay, this is step A. This is a regular 1-point perspective stairs, so I still have to use the vanishing point, right? Okay, so this is the area that is horizontal and then the vertical. So I have two sets going towards the VP, and then you have to use two sets of line going towards the vanishing point, right? Okay, this is the inclined plane, so go like this, go like this, like this, like so. Now I have 1, 2 sets, 3, 4 sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of guideline going both VP and AVP. So this is good. Now what you want to do is you want to pay attention to the line, the black one and the green one intersect. Black one and green one intersect, right? So this indicates the depth of the step A, which is also the beginning of the step B, right? So okay, so I figured this out. Now the vertical lines always remains parallel, right? This is here, here, right? And this remains within this intersect again. The green, the space between the green lines, because this is the inclined plane, right? So I have this line intersecting, and this is the riser of the step B. Okay, so after this, it's very simple. From the corner, I'm going to draw the guideline again towards the VP, towards the VP, right? And I already have the guideline towards the AVP here. And what you want to do is to figure out where the green lines and then the black pencil intersect, right? This line intersects here. Oh, I'm sorry. This line intersects with, oh yeah, sorry, here. This is fine. And then this is the end of the step B. You see how my lines are not quite parallel? This is because I'm a little messy, like these corners here. Also, the lines, this has to really clearly meeting in the corners. So these little discrepancies started to create the little a gap. So it's slightly off, but it's supposed to be, you should see the line. If you spend time and make a clean drawing, the line is supposed to really meet where it's supposed to be. Mine's okay, but it's slightly it's slanted. That's okay. All right, now I'm gonna start the step C, which started from here. And remember, the riser remains between these two lines, right? Okay, so here intersect, here intersect. So this is the step C. There you go, right? And notice how the distance here, this is where you put your foot on, right? It's getting narrower, right? Because you're getting very closer to the eye level. At this point, everything looks like straight line. Well, let's continue. So corner to the VP, I'm gonna draw the line like this. I'm gonna draw the line like this. Okay, so now you see green and the black lines intersecting, green and black lines intersecting, right? This is the depth of the step C, right? See how it's very narrow now, gradually, right? Okay, now I'm gonna start the step D. Remember, vertical always remains parallel, right? Okay, now these two lines intersecting, so this is the step D, right? Okay, so from here I'll do the same thing, continue and continue, and then my drawing just ended up very close to the eye level, so you can't really see too much. But let's say if I finish this drawing, what you want to do is here, see the black line and the green lines intersecting here, intersecting here. So let's say this is the end of the step, like this. So this is the step, and you see how narrow it is on here because it's very close to the eye level now, right? If you exceed the stairs this way, you're not gonna see the top portion of the stairs because it becomes above the eye level. So you just see the risers continually. Okay, so this is your step.